How to fix if mic icon missing from your keyboard on your iPhone? If you don't find mic icon on your keyboard, then here are the fixes. Tap on settings, scroll down and go to general settings, and here tap on keyboard and make sure that enable dictation is turned on. Auto punctuation is should be also turned on. Make sure that both the be turned on. The next method is tap on settings again, tap on Siri and search, and here make sure that listen for, tap on listen for and make sure that this is also enabled. Thereafter go back again, tap on settings, scroll down and look for keyboard, tap on general and here tap on keyboard, and here go tap on keyboard, and if any additional keyboard is enabled here or added, simply remove it, such as Google keyboard and other keyboard is added in your iPhone, then remove it. The next one is again tap on settings, tap on general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on it, tap on reset and reset all settings. Tap on it, unlock your iPhone and finally choose reset all settings. And after that, your problem of mic icon missing from iPhone keyboard is solved, and make sure that Bluetooth is disabled also.